Jack and Jill. Come on, sing.
Jack and Jill went up to fetch a pail
Of water.
Jack fell down and broke
His crown.
and Jack came tumbling after.
Yay!
Jack and Jill.
How about Baba Black Sheep?
No, I'm gonna sing. Jack and Jill went up to fetch the fire. Jack fell down and broke his gun. Jack came tumbling out.
Yay!
Jack and Jill went up to fetch the fire. Jack fell down and broke. Jack came tumbling after.
Yay! How about your Baba Black Sheep? Have you any wool?
Itsy bitsy spider, out
Came the rain and washed the spider out. Out the sun and all the rain. Went up the spout again. Yay! Baba.
Jack and Jill went up to fetch the fire. Jack fell down and broke his. Jack came tumbling after.
What are you reading?
And went choo-choo-choo.
Is that your favorite?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Mine choo-choo-choo.
Is that your choo-choo train?
Yeah.
What is that? Is that a bullet train?
Yeah. Bullet is right there.
Oh, can you show me the space shuttle?
I can see it.
The space shuttle? The one that has a big smoke taking off? Where is it? I think it's on the other side. At the back.
Oh, I see Manda.
No, we're looking for the space shuttle.
Look in the picture. Okay.
Whoa, wait. Oh no, that was just fire. Go ahead. Go look for the space shuttle.
Oh,
There it is. Whose space shuttle?
the big one.
Whoa. Still taking off.
See that? And look, big smoke. Big smoke.
Big smoke.
That's
Okay,
the-
say bye, Grandma.
Bye, Grandma.
I miss you.
I miss you.
How old is Pano?
2.
2. How about like this? 2.
2.
2. Count. 1,
2.
2, 3.
Okay, we're looking to see Manda.
Say okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Show me your poker face. Oh, good job.